Hi everybody, it's 4:34 and 42 seconds on Saturday, January 5th. This is the drawing for the 5 Spider-Man Carnage related books. 344, First Cletus Cassidy. 360, First Cameo of Carnage. 361, First Full Carnage. And 362 and 363. Over here are the 20 filled spots. We're going to roll the 3 dice. The number is 8. We're going to randomize 8 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get all 5 books. They will ship out on Monday. The few international participants, should you win, you'll have to pay the international shipping cost. Okay? So here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here comes the final one. 8, Mark Beyonce. I guess you did stick that 4-leaf clover down your pants like I had suggested. Congratulations. It is 4:35 and 44